Now you are in the final session of this course. Let me just summarize the topics covered in this course again. So in the first session you have learned general architecture of a UVM based test bench, and next you learned the general anatomy of the UVM component classes and the UVM data classes, and also you learned the reporting structure in UVM. Then you learned in detail how you can write every class in UVM. We have learned writing the test environment, agent, sequence driver, etc. classes in detail, taking one by one. And finally you have connected these classes together, and you learned how the data is flowing from one class to another and what is general way of connecting these components together. And there was an example session of writing a UVM based test bench from scratch, which is describing each and every component in detail again. Finally, you have learned about the UVM factory and the virtual sequence concept, and at the end you have learned using these concepts how you can create a base sequence and base test class in your VIP structure and use minimal programming for your derived classes. As you know, UVM is the most advanced methodology adopted by the VLSI verification industry, and it could be a little difficult to understand the UVM concepts at the beginning, but once you understand the architecture and its concepts, it's quite simple to use the methodology in your day-to-day practice. You have completed this course successfully. Thank you very much for enrolling this course. I hope this course was relevant for you and you enjoyed and you learned a lot from this course. If you have any questions regarding any topics in this course, please get back to me through Udemy. Also, it would be really appreciated if you could leave an honest review about this course in Udemy. Thanks again and happy learning.